And we are back. A new species of tarantula has been discovered in the island of Romblon, or the province of Romblon, highlighting the country's rich biodiversity and the growing contributions of local scientists in global research. Paul Hyacinth Foss of the Philippine Information Agency, Mimaropa, tells us more.
A team of researchers from the University of Santo Tomas, in collaboration with Romblon State University and the Theraposid research team in Germany, has identified a new species of tarantula in the province of Romblon. The new species has been named Selenoborachis ostrom sopacius, a name that honors multiple Philippine research institutions including UST, RSU, MSU-IIT, UP Diliman, and the Philippine Aeronautical Society. Despite their large and hairy appearance, experts remind the public that most tarantulas, like this new species, are not dangerous to humans, with venom often no more harmful than a bee sting. The discovery was officially published in the international journal Zookis on March 31, 2025, as part of a study that also reclassifies two tarantula genera. The research also supports a Department of Science and Technology-funded initiative called Gagamba, which aims to explore potential medical applications for spider venom. The study, led by UST researchers Darrell Acuña, Maria Micaela Dombruque, Lawrence Riam Ragaza, and others, along with RSU scientist and German aranologist Volker von Wirth. The Philippines is home to several tarantula species, including the well-known Philippine tangerine, and this new discovery continues to show the country's significance in global biodiversity and research innovation. From the Philippine Information Agency Mimaropa, Paul Jason Foss, Balitang Pambansa.